Welcome to the Content Creator series of videos here on the channel. In these videos, I aim to share with you my experiences on YouTube and other social media platforms. Whether you've just started out or even if you've had a channel for years, I hope that some of these quick tips can help you customize and optimize your social media presence and help you gain more views and followers. In today's video, I want to talk to you about the YouTube channel page and how you can use it to do exactly that. If you haven't edited your channel page before, you can do so by navigating to your page on a Mac or PC computer or opening up your YouTube app on your mobile device. I'm going to be showing you how to customize your page using the web browser version on my MacBook Pro. But if you only have a mobile phone, you can do much the same by tapping on the profile icon on the top right-hand corner of the screen in the app and then entering your channel page. If you look at my channel, it has already been set up and you can see that I've placed a banner image at the top, a profile picture, and in the banner section, you can see there's a link to my website and my leading social media account, which is Instagram. I've seen so many channel pages that haven't made the most of the banner and profile logo. So make sure that you place a standout photo in the banner that speaks to the channel offering, and feel free to mix this up a bit and change it from time to time to keep it fresh, reflecting any changes that you make along your journey on YouTube. The profile pic is also a great opportunity to show who you are when you comment on other people's videos. So if you have a profile pic of yourself, be it a photo or illustration, this is more likely to be representative of who you are than using a logo-based profile picture. So unless you're a corporate brand, I would strongly encourage the use of a portrait image here. In the early days of running my channel, I used the logo of my channel in the profile picture. So when I would interact with the audience, they didn't really get to see who they were talking with. Now, when I respond to a question on the channel, there's a small circular graphic with my profile picture, so it kind of adds more of a personal touch, a small detail I know, but this can make a difference when you want to build a rapport with your audience. Now that we have the basics out of the way, it's time to customize the channel further. To do that, click on the Customize Channel icon under the banner. You'll now be on the first tab of the channel customization page, and this is where you can control the layout of your homepage on YouTube. If you've never been here before, then you're missing out on perhaps the biggest opportunity to leverage YouTube's internal marketing and promotional mechanism. At the top, you can add a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed to your channel, and then below that, a featured video for returning subscribers. If you have time to create a small 30-second to 1-minute trailer with an intro about you and your channel, do that and place it here. Then in the featured section, add your most recent or most popular video that you want your returning viewers to see. If you want to get more views on a new video or one that you feel isn't performing as you expected, you'll be surprised at how well this section can help you in gaining extra views on your content. The next is the featured section, where you can add playlists, short videos, live now, past live streams, single playlists, multiple playlists, subscriptions, and featured channels for those of you with multiple channel pages. If you haven't created any playlists yet, be sure to do that, as you'll need to have the playlists and allocate the videos to them for this to really work at all. If you haven't created a playlist and allocated your videos, it's really quite straightforward. Simply go to your channel, select Manage Videos, click on the Content tab on the left, click on a single video or group of videos that you want to add to a playlist by clicking on the checkbox to the left-hand side, and then click on Add to Playlist in the drop-down option to add to any of your existing playlists, or click on the New Playlist to create a new playlist and add the videos all in one go. You can also add playlists and manage them by clicking on the Playlist tab on the left. Click on the New Playlist icon on the top right-hand side to create a new playlist, or click on the Edit icon next to an existing playlist to change its title and description. You can also change the sort order of videos in your playlist by dragging on them up and down in the column on the right-hand side. So make sure you put your best videos up front, or any videos that you want to see an increase in views and watch time duration also should go to the top. You can also set the thumbnail of a particular video as your playlist thumbnail by clicking on the 3-dotted icon next to video in your playlist and selecting the Set as Playlist thumbnail option. Again, make sure you pick your best thumbnail here to really make an impression on the viewer when they come across your playlist on your channel page. Let's go back to the channel customization page by clicking on your channel, customize channel. So you should be back on the layout section where we started earlier before we jumped over to our playlist page. If you click on your branding section, you can change the profile picture and banner image that I was referring to earlier. The profile pic only needs to be 98 by 98 pixels in size, but I would recommend uploading it at least 800 by 800 pixels in the square format for optimal resolution. The banner image is not as straightforward as it looks, as it must be 2048 pixels by 1152 pixels, yet you'll notice that when you view the banner on a computer or mobile phone, a small strip is displayed, so you might be wondering why it wants you to upload an image that is taller than what you're seeing on your screen. The reason is that when your channel page is displayed on the TV, it'll show the full banner. So make sure that your banner looks good on all devices and center your content in the middle of the artwork, or you can create multiple strips to fill in the banner vertically. The last thing to do in the branding page is to apply a video watermark on your videos. This will appear on all of your videos that you upload automatically, and this can serve as a way of protecting your copyright of videos when being embedded on other platforms, and also provides a link to the subscribe option within your channel right on top of your videos. The next tab is called Basic Info, and this is where you can update your channel name and description. You can add additional language translations if you have audiences in specific countries. In the channel URL section, you can create a custom URL so it's easier to link to when posting on social media. And then below that, you can add links to your website and social media accounts. I've got quite a few, including my website, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, podcast, Snapchat, and SoundCloud. And you can change the order in which they appear by dragging them up and down. And you can also specify how many links you want to show on the banner, which then appears as small icons on the bottom right-hand corner of your channel banner. And most importantly here, especially if you are after brand deals or sponsorships, make sure you put in a publicly available email address so that people can contact you for business-related inquiries. By this stage, you're well on the way to having a standout YouTube page that will keep your viewers watching and help you gain more subscribers. So hopefully these few tips have helped you today in optimizing your YouTube channel and will lead to some great results. If you have any questions about what you've seen here today, as always, feel free to put them in the comments box below. And if you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified of up and coming video releases. See you on the next one. Bye for now.